Now let's say very important command in DML, or I can say in entire SQL. So select is a command is used to see or retrieve a data from table or a set of tables. Okay, either you can retrieve the data from one table or a multiple tables. So select is a command to use that. Okay, so how is the syntax? So I have a table created with some target regions or employee. So I wanted to see the complete records of a table. So what is the command I have to use? Select is the command that I have to use to retrieve or to show the output of that particular table. Right, earlier we have seen different commands in DML like update, right? So you have seen an update. What are the fields we need to update and so on. So now insert, also you have insert, how to insert the records into the table. So after doing all these things, now you want to see the complete records after updating and after doing some modification, right? So select star from the table names will show you the field name, its value, the field name and its value. So this is related to your regions, where you can see region ID, region name. 1 stands for Europe, 2 stands for America, 3 stands for Asia, and 4 stands for Middle East and Africa. Okay, now if you want to see only a particular fields, so this particular table has two fields. No, I wanted to see only one field data. So in that case, you can specify select field name from target regions, right? Earlier just you have put down star. Star means it will display all records of all fields. If you want to select only specific fields, so you can just give field name and the table name, so that it will display only related to that particular field values. Okay, now another important command here is, so you can use a where conditions. So where conditions in the sense, so earlier when you have seen here, so it displayed all the fields information, fields and records information, right? Now I have a condition like I want to see all fields but only particular records. My condition is wherever the region name is Europe, I want to see all the records related to region name Europe. Okay, so select star from target regions where region name is equals to Europe. So Europe might be a varchar or character data types. That's the reason we have coded in single quotes. So now it displays only the record related to the Europe. So even though there is a star, right, normally what star will do, star will display all the records, but we are stopping it by using where class and we are having a condition. So in this way you can select your records. There are many different ways and there are many different where classes or order by classes, and there are many other constraints that we can, conditions that we can use in the select query, and that we are going to see in the upcoming sessions.